First, we would like to pose the question: why is it important to create sign language books? Well, there are approximately 70 million deaf people in the world using more than 200 sign languages. Approximately 32 million are deaf children. 80% of those children do not have access to education, and only 2% of them receive their education in sign language. The next question we would like to address is: why did we choose Bloom software? Bloom is an easy to use software that enables local deaf communities to author original books in their local sign language, as well as translate the material produced by others. As you can see, Bloom has an easy to follow layout. At the top, it lists the actions that one would like to take, such as create a collection of books, edit a book, or publish a book. To the left, it shows the pages of the book. To add one could be as simple as choosing a pre-designed page. The layout of each page could be customized if one desires. If you click on the gear, a window will pop up where one can choose, among other things, the size of the letter, the spacing, or the alignment. This is one of the books that was created using Bloom software. You can observe an arrow on each side of the page. By clicking on the arrow, the page will turn in the direction of the arrow. This feature allows the reader to turn the pages back and forth just like one would with a book. Now let's talk about the Latin American COVID-19 project, which was made possible by generous gifts from donors. It consists of three countries working together: El Salvador and Honduras in Central America, and Colombia in South America. We partner with a school for the deaf in Colombia and Honduras, and a deaf-run foundation in El Salvador, which also has deaf teachers among its members. The first step was to acquire the necessary equipment to create sign language books. Once the equipment was set up, we proceeded with the Bloom software training. One of the goals of the project was to provide COVID-19 information to the deaf communities in these three countries. That information was to be delivered by using a natural local sign language. Some of the deaf signing in the videos have deaf siblings and/or are married to other deaf. Spanish is also used in these books. Another goal was for the project to become self-sustaining. For this reason, deaf were trained in the use of the software. They are the ones that write an original script. They also create their own illustrations, and they are the ones to sign and film the books. It is a locally owned project. How do they work together? Thanks to technology, the teams are able to work remotely by using Marco Polo, WhatsApp, and Zoom. They use Marco Polo to share their material throughout the week and to provide feedback to each other. They use WhatsApp to share material, encourage each other, and coordinate the Zoom meetings. During these meetings, they review their material, provide feedback, and support each other. Here you can see the team reviewing one of the scripts. They also review their illustrations, their signing, filming, and at the end, they celebrate when one of them uploads a book to the Bloom library. Here is a list of the books that they have uploaded to the Bloom Library. The image on the left shows when the book is being uploaded, and the image on the right was taken as soon as the book appeared in the library. We would like to conclude with an image of the team and two GSLT members celebrating the publication of sign language books in the Bloom Library.